Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video I want to show you my morning skincare routine using my favorite Korean products. And I have dry skin, and now that it's winter my skin is especially dry and sensitive and I'm prone to redness. So I'm going to show you my favorite products that I like to use to keep my skin looking and feeling healthy. So the first step of my morning skincare routine is to wash my face with a soap, and I like to use the Klairs Rich Moist Face Soap. It contains calamine powder, which provides a soothing effect for sensitive skin, and on top of that it also has argan oil that helps to keep your skin moisturized while deeply cleaning your pores. I use a little brush like this, which is a facial cleansing brush, and I just lather up the soap and then clean my face using this brush, and it really works well. It's not irritating. I have sensitive skin, so using a soft brush like this actually helps to remove all the dead skin cells without being too harsh on your skin. The next step of my skincare routine is using the Klairs Midnight Blue Youth Activating Drop. This product contains EGF and BFGF, which are both key factors and ingredients to keep the skin firm. I usually use 3 to 4 drops and apply this all over my face. With this product a little goes a long way, so right now I am using 3 drops. I rub it between my hands and then I just gently pat it on my skin. I don't like rubbing any skincare products on my skin because I don't want to tug my skin, especially when it's sensitive. So just pat it on my skin. It absorbs very quickly, and the great thing about this product is that it is formulated for younger skin, for people in their mid-20s to late 20s, to help them maintain their youthful looking skin. After that I follow up with the Klairs Supple Preparation Facial Toner. Unfortunately I have run out of this. It's completely empty, but I have a little travel size backup, and this is what it looks like. The Klairs Supple Preparation Facial Toner balances your skin pH level and restores hydration. I use 2 to 3 drops of this product on my hands. Again, rubbing it between my fingers. I just pat it on my skin, and you can instantly feel the difference. Your skin feels instantly hydrated and moisturized, and any tightness that you had is just completely gone. The next product that I'm using is the Blossom Jeju Pink Camellia Zombie Blooming Vitamin Radiance Booster. The Blossom Jeju Vitamin Radiance Booster contains vitamin B3 and beetroot extracts that help to energize the skin. I use only 1 pump of this product because a little goes a long way with this, and I don't want to use too much because I want my skin to be able to absorb everything without leaving any sticky residue behind. Moving on to the serum, I am using the Blossom Jeju Blooming Essence Serum. And this serum is rich in hyaluronic acid to replenish and retain moisture. It also contains a patented seaweed stem cell ingredient to brighten up the complexion. Again, I love the packaging of this brand. It is so cute. And I use 1 to 2 drops of this product on my skin. Because it contains hyaluronic acid, it really helps to retain the moisture in your skin and plump up the skin. So I focus it under my eye area because that's where my skin tends to dry out quite quickly, and it really works wonders. Hyaluronic acid is great for those who have dehydrated skin like myself. Next up, I'm using the Klairs Rich Moist Soothing Cream, and as you can see, I have used the heck out of it. It's almost gone. I still have a little bit left, but I definitely need a new tube soon. This cream is a lifesaver for me because it instantly calms my dry and irritated skin and also reduces redness. I just use a large pea size amount and apply it on my skin, especially focusing on my cheekbone area because I don't want my skin to get damaged, and then apply it on the rest of my face. Now, I've mentioned before that my under eye area is quite delicate and it's the first area to dry out along with my cheekbones, so I use the Blossom Jeju Flower Eye Cream. This eye cream improves the natural collagen production that reduces fine lines, wrinkles and puffiness, and it adds extra long-lasting moisture and hydration throughout the day. I like to use a small amount, like so, rub it between my ring fingers and then apply it under my eye area and also going down to my cheekbones as well. We are almost done. Last but not least is the Klairs Midday Blue Sun Lotion. This one has SPF 40 to protect the skin against harmful UV rays and therefore prevent any cell damage and premature aging. I use this sunscreen religiously, whether it's winter, spring, summer, autumn. I use this all year round because regardless of the time of the year, UV rays are still very much there, and I want to make sure to keep my skin protected. If there's one anti-aging product you should start using from an early age, then it's definitely sunscreen. I'm going out later, so I'll be using a generous amount of this product. Later on, I'll be also applying some makeup on. I just want this to sink into my skin beforehand. And yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed my morning skincare routine. I know it's a lot of products. If you are not comfortable using so many products, then I recommend using a toner, a serum and a cream first, and then work yourself up to more products. That is it for my skincare routine. I know there are a lot of products that I have used, but it just works for me personally. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye!